Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Beurer Beauty FS50 Facial Sauna. There's a picture of what this sauna is going to look like. There you can see it has a very compact form factor. Over here it's written cosmetic, facial care and steam bath. This is also German engineering, and FS50 is the model number as shown over here. There's also another information, 3-in-1 cosmetic, aroma and cold. So basically there are 3 modes in this particular sauna. Do we have anything else? Yes, there are a lot of information over here. Over here it's written aromatherapy, steam attachment for pleasant aromatherapy use. There are 2 settings, cosmetic facial care, facial sauna attachment for cosmetic facial care, opens the pores, cleanses and cares for the skin of the face, adjustable, infinitely adjustable steam outlet. It includes measuring jug and 3-year warranty. And that's more or less all the information on the box. Let's just open this and show you what's inside. This is what you find inside the box. There are a couple of documents as well. This is a product brochure from Beurer. A lot of information here. We also have another product information brochure. This is actually a safety information brochure, a service, basically manufacturer information. Beurer Service International. All service centers are noted over here. And this is the user manual for this particular sauna they use for the FS50. So everything that you need to know, it's written right over here, and it has listed out all the different components as well. So you should also take a look at it. Let me just. This is basically the facial sauna steam. This is the steam mask, and this one over here, this particular attachment over here is the aroma attachment. I don't think I can take it out. I will try. There you go. Yeah, this is the aroma attachment. So by applying this, you will get a different setting altogether. We also have the water container. Where is the water? Coming to this one, this is basically the engine, the basic unit of this particular sauna, and this is where the water goes in. So the idea is that this should be on top of this. This should be on top of each other. You fix it like this, and then you inhale the steam. The water. This is where the water is contained, and you put this mask on top. And that's the basic idea, and then you use this as the vapor comes out. There's also a 250 volt connecting cable that comes with this particular unit. What is next? We have a measuring cup. This is a measuring cup for when you want to add water to it. So over here it's written max. I don't know if you can see this. This is transparent, so it's difficult to show. It's written max over here. So this is the total amount of water that you will pour in this particular water container. And finally we have another face mask. So just like this is also a face mask, but this is for your nose and your mouth primarily. This is called a facial sauna steam mask for nose and mouth. That's what's given in the user manual. So this is a replacement for when you don't want to use it for your entire face. You just want to use it for your mouth or your nose. Just put this particular attachment on it and you're good to go. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Beurer Beauty FS50 Facial Sauna. Thank you for watching.